I'm going to do a few examples with you with segment and angle addition. I did not add anything different to your assignment for today. It's just more practice. We will have a quiz on segment and angle addition next class time. So, remember to always put little plus little equals big. And so we're ready to decide what our two little pieces are and what our big piece is. In this case, AC, notice, is the big. So in place of the big, I'm now going to have my AC all the way at the end. That means that my little AB, which is 24, is going to go here. I'm going to add to that my other little piece, which is BC. So now I know that AB is 24. I know that BC is 5x plus 4. And I now know that my AC comes way to the end, and I have 8x plus 1. So from here, I'm ready to solve my equation. So again, we're solving just like we always do. We want to combine our like terms. Here we have a 4 and a 24 that we can add together to give us a 28. We still have this 5x here. And now we're ready to move. So let's move our 5 over to 8. If I move 5 to 8, I'm going to have to subtract that 5 over, leaving me with a 3x plus that 1. And so now I'm ready to move my 1. 1's going to come over and subtract, leaving me 27 equals 3x. I'm now ready to divide to find out that x is 9. Now notice in this problem, it did ask me for the value of x, but it also asked me for the value of AC. So 8 times 9 plus 1 is 72 plus 1, which would be 73. Now I need to make sure that I'm correct. So what I will need to do here is double check from here, where my AB is 24. I now know that BC, haven't found BC yet, so let's find BC. If BC is 5 times 9 plus 4, that's 45 plus 4, which would be 49. So now I have a 24 plus a 49, and I now know that AC is 73. Does 24 plus 49 equal 73? It does. So I know that I am correct. Now let's move on. We're going to look briefly at an angle addition problem, and then we will, I'll close this video off. So where we are, looking at number 11, let's look at it. Oh no, let's not look at 11, sorry. That's a bisector problem. Have any on here as the equation. Alright, so that's okay. We'll just do some number problems, and then that should hopefully help you out. Number 8, we look at this one. The ABD that we see here is 25 degrees. The BBC that we see here is 48 degrees. They want to know the big angle of ABC, so I would add these two things together, which would give me 73. On the next one here, notice that we can solve this one. We have enough information, but the information is a little different. We know that ABD is 80. ADB is 80. They gave us that. We also know that BDC is 2x. And not only that, we know that our big angle of ADC is 4x plus 6. So if you notice here, we actually do have enough information to do little plus little equals 6. We know that 80 plus 2x will equal 4x plus 6. So from there, I am able to solve by moving my 2x over and getting my 80 equals 2x plus 6, and then moving the 6 over to subtract the x, and 2x is equal to 74. From there, I can go ahead and divide to find that x is 27. And make sure I'm right. Nope, 37, sorry. So, 14 carry the 1. Perfect. Alright, now that I know x is 37, I can come here and put the x in place so that I find that BC is 74. So this is 74, and this is 80. Then I know my answer for ABC should be 80 plus 70. And 80 plus 74, sorry, 80 plus 74 is 154. So my big angle needs to add up to be 154. So let's check it. 4 times 37 plus 6. So 37 times 4 is 148, plus 6 more is 154. Did it check? It did. So now we know that our problem has been done correctly. I hope this helps, guys. Do the practice and work together to make sure you're understanding.